Hey guys, this is my GK61 from HK Gaming in pink. I definitely overpaid for this, but it sounds really good and I didn't loop it at all. So I just want to show you guys. So basically, this thing is basically fully stock. The only thing is I'm running Gateron optical blacks, but basically nothing's been done to this keyboard. And yeah, and just saying there's a lot way better alternatives. I wouldn't recommend this. I overpaid for this, so yeah, just buy a different keyboard. Let's try again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're considering buying this keyboard, I'll link it with an affiliate link. It would just help me a lot. Thank you.